Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see a job update from Wipro. So Wipro is hiring for associate analyst and the location of job is Chennai. We are going to see about this job update from Wipro. It is for freshers and any graduate can apply for this job role. So we are going to see all details regarding this. If you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So this is the job update from Wipro. The post name is Associate Analyst. Now, what is Associate Analyst means? Here, you'll be actually dealing with various data. So Wipro is having a lot of clients, right? So the data of these clients are managed and the data processing and analysis is done by this Associate Analyst role. So associate is, if you see a term called associate, then generally it is for fresher post. So here also they are looking for mainly freshers. So the location they have given is Chennai, but we know that because of this COVID situation, all these jobs will be work from home only. But after the COVID situation has settled down completely, you have to relocate to this location. Okay. Now, let us move on to the details. The education they have said is graduate. They have not mentioned whether it be BTech or any other specification. So any graduate can apply here. And also experience, they have asked is experience in BPO environment. If you are having a BPO environment related experience, then you will get a preference. Other candidates can also apply here. Okay. So here, the other things they have given here that is the requirements is attention to detail, behavioral, good listening and speaking skills, IT skills, basic computer applications, soft skills, then excellent communication. So only basic things they have asked here. Okay. So you should be having good communication skills, problem solving skills, analytical skills. That is the only requirement they are asking for. Okay. So any of this fresher candidates with any graduation can apply for this post. And we have already seen what is the job of a data analyst or an associate analyst. Now, talking about the selection process here, the selection process will be consisting of 2 to 3 stages. The first stage will be aptitude test. So here they are mainly looking for people with good problem solving skill, good analytical thinking skills. So the first stage will be consisting of aptitude, reasoning, problem solving, all these things will be there. Then there will be technical interview and then there will be HR interview. That is going to be the selection process. Now, talking about the salary that they are paying, Wipro generally pays the starting salary 25K per month above. So you can expect a good salary here. And also any graduate can apply. So that is a plus. So if you are a person who have passed out in 2017 or 18 or 19, whichever year is your year of pass out, you can apply here because they have not specified any specific year of passing out. And also there is no age limit here. Also boys and girls, both candidates can apply. So this is actually a favorable opening for a lot of people out there. So if you are having a graduation in any discipline, then you can definitely try for this. And talking about the selection process, all the selection process will be through virtual mode only. We know that nowadays all these selection processes are happening through online mode or virtual mode. So you can give the test, interview, everything from your home itself. You don't have to travel or anything. So that's all about this job update from Wipro. If you are interested, you can definitely try for this. You can see an apply icon here. Just click on it in order to apply for this post. So first you have to put your mail ID here. Then click on this I accept privacy policy. And after that, towards the end, you can see there is a next icon. Just click on it. There you can see a detailed application form which you have to fill up for applying for this post. First, you have to connect yourself with Wipro. You can use either Google or LinkedIn or Facebook. Then you have to attach your resume here. Then you have to create a login ID password. Then enter your information, first name, last name, mail ID, then phone number, everything you have to give, your address. Then, have you ever employed with Wipro? If yes, you can give it like that. Then if it is yes, then you have to give your employee ID also. Then educational details, work experience detail. If you are not having any experience, you can skip that field. It is not mandatory. Then next thing is you can give your preference time zone. Attachments, you can give your certificates if you're having, you can attach, and then submit profile. Okay. So this is how you have to apply for this post. This is the application form that you have to fill up. So they have not given any specific date or last date for applying. So please to apply for it as soon as possible. So if you're having a graduation in any discipline, you can definitely try for this. Many of the candidates are actually getting recruited into Wipro, Accenture, these companies, also Amazon. So nowadays, a lot of recruitment is coming from these companies. So if you are interested, you can definitely try for this. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share the video with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.